Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Put your stamp on this house, located just 15 minutes from Red Hill Square. This 4-bed, 3-bath, unfinished property is priced to sell. The house has a large space for a kitchen, living and dining room areas, good-sized bedrooms, and a double garage. Whilst the upper floor is not yet completed, it has all walls in place. The perimeter wall is fully built, and there is good size above ground water tank on premises as well. The land size is great for the area, with enough space for a small garden and lawn area. Let's talk as to how to make this your own and put your personal touch to this home in the cool hills. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 32.5 million or US $204,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.